Hi, my name is Steven. I'm the founder of MyAmazonGuy.com. In this video, I'm going to be talking about platinum keywords. What are platinum keywords? They're a search term field on the back end of Seller Central on your inventory page. So to get here, go to your Manage Inventory page, click on Edit on any product, and it will pull up this screen. It defaults to the offer window. Go over to the keyword section and scroll down to the bottom. So here you can see search terms, which are very important to set. Quick tip, make sure your search terms have no duplicate words, are 250 characters long, and typically speaking, you don't want to have the same words in your title as you do in the search terms, so try and make them unique. Things you want to put in your search terms: misspelling, Spanish, things that relate to your product but aren't a direct tie-in. That way, any copy you have on the front side gets you lots of keyword juice, and the back end gets even more. You'll notice I have not filled in my platinum keywords because it says in the tooltip for platinum merchants only, and those have not existed in many years. I get this question frequently: what are platinum keywords? Why haven't you filled in my platinum keywords? And the short answer is they literally are a defunct field that has no impact whatsoever. If you'd like, let's say you don't believe me, just fill in your search terms into the platinum keyword section as well. No harm done. This is a field I have been selling on Amazon for a very long time. I want to say 7 or 8 years I've been dealing with Seller Central. This is a field that existed way back then, and when you had Amazon reps that actually helped you instead of seller support out of the country and all that good stuff, they used to have some select partners that were platinum level, and it may or may not even have been a paid service at some point. But in any case, platinum keywords have no impact. You do not need to fill them in, but you should definitely make sure you focus on your search term field. This is the most important thing you can do to improve traffic to your listing outside of advertising. It's the best free opportunity for traffic. The other fields like subject matter, other attributes, target audience, and intended use have a small impact as well, but much less than anything else on your listing itself, copy-wise, title, bullets, description. But I do generally recommend filling them in. It is pretty much a guessing game of what you should fill in there. But basically, you know, if you're selling a wine glass like OK Boomer, I'm probably going to want to target adults, women, mothers, people who drink wine or alcohol, who might appreciate a joke, etc. So definitely recommend filling something in, your best guess. There is really not a good tool today to try and hit the intended use, target audience, other attributes, or subject matter. So just kind of eyeball it and fill it in. There are many great tools, however, to target search terms. My favorite tool is called Helium 10. I will post a link in the description of the video. Preferably, one of the most important things I like about Helium 10 is this tool called Frankenstein, where you can take any listings, keywords, and chop it up to remove all the duplicates and do some other filters and features, and it pops out a big chunk of text here. Now you have to get that down to 250 characters, and it does take some time to do that, but you know, it's really important that you do. So for example, the word okay, spelled out O-K-A-Y, is not something that I have on the front end of my listing, so I definitely want to make sure it's on the back end of my search term, for example. And I already do have it covered, so I'm just going to delete that. But that's a great example of how a tool such as Helium 10's Cerebro and Frankenstein can lead to additional keywords you were not paying attention to before by duplicating the keywords that are on your competitors' listings. So if you have any questions about keywords, feel free to post them in the comments section of the video. Or if you need any Amazon consulting help, go over to myamazonguy.com and contact us. Thanks.